Oh, hey guys, welcome back. Alex the Car Doctor. I was just cleaning my face. Sorry, y'all had to see that. There you go, Alex. Get that little smudge right there. All right, guys, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be about my history. I'm getting a lot more subscribers. As of this video is being shot today, I'm almost at 1,000, and thank you guys for that. But I wanted to give you a little bit of my history, talk a little bit about Mobile Mechanic and why I'm not a mobile mechanic today and why I'm being kicked out of my shop currently. Jumping right into it, put this down. This is my old girl, Betsy. She took me all around Atlanta. She's been a good girl to me. Thank you. I just set her down, the reason why, and I'm gonna get right into that, the pros and cons of mobile mechanicing. As you see, I got her wrapped, and that brought me a lot of business by itself. I look very professional, and if you plan on doing mobile mechanic, look the part, because it's just, first impression is everything. But jumping right into the pros and cons. Pros, quick, easy money. You know, I can come up on a couple of $100s really quick. You know, it's nothing for me to come up on a couple of $100s a day easily. Some of my highest months, weeks were around 2 grand, but I worked my butt off. I mean,
no cursing.
I worked my butt off. It was hard work. And let's see what else I can say about some of the pros. Babe, help me out.
Low overhead.
Oh yes, low overhead. No rent to pay. You just put gas in her and go. Unlike the place I am now, there's overhead, and that's about it.
Yeah.
For the pros. Now the cons. How can I kick this one off, babe?
Weather.
Yes, the weather. Okay, weather is a #1 con for mobile mechanic. You know, weather is unpredictable. It start raining on you, your tools get rusted. It's just hard to work when weather
Especially
conditions.
in the winter.
Yeah,
we do get
winter,
cold.
summer. It's just, man, it's nothing like a somewhat climate controlled shop. If you get sick, you don't make no money. It's only me out here. You know, I don't trust too many people. I have kind of trust issues because I like my reputation. My reputation is very high, and I keep that for a reason. People don't like to pay. They'll call me out, I'll complete the job 100%, and they'll hit me with, I don't have the money. And I'm like, okay, what do I do now? Quick story on that. Came out to this guy's house, and the guy looked like he stayed in 500K and above housing complex. He had to go through 2 gates to get, it was crazy. I was like, okay, I don't know. So I spent like all day there from 9 to 4, 9 to 5 or something. He supplied all his parts, used by the way. So after I finished, he paid me through PayPal. I left, and I get this message on my phone. PayPal didn't go through, something weird happened.
He canceled it.
Yeah, he canceled it on me. So I politely called the guy back. He started avoiding me and all kind of crazy stuff. I'm like, what the heck going on? And anyway, I ended up suing the guy, won, and he still didn't pay. So it's crazy out here for mobile mechanic guys. But what's another con, sweetie?
Your favorite one. Traffic.
Oh my gosh. The traffic. I think that's why I'm so good with traffic today, because I spent so many hours in this van. Traffic, that's a #1 problem. So many people moving to Atlanta, so it's very busy, but the traffic, you'll get caught in traffic. The traffic will limit your ability to do more cars. I was only doing like 3 cars in a day because I had a hard time getting job to job. When you're limited like that, you don't make much money. So that's one of the cons, one of the biggest cons. And I think that's about it on the pros and cons of being a mobile
But would you
mechanic.
still recommend it if you're just starting out? Because you did get a lot of your knowledge and experience from.
I did. I was able to gained my customer service from working with people one-on-one. And you know, some of my old customers, they still expect that out of me. But now I'm a shop owner, things have changed, and I get people saying, oh, you know, I wish it was like the old days where I could contact you personally. I was like, it's not like that anymore. But would I recommend it? Yes. Fast, easy money, it's great. You know, you just treat people right and you'll be great. That's what I have to say about that. Moving right along, I wanted to share a little bit why I'm getting kicked out of my shop location now. I don't like to prolong, like, how am I gonna say it? You have these YouTube topics. Ooh, I'm getting kicked out of my shop, and people click on the video, and like at the end of the video, you'll learn why. No, I'm not gonna do y'all like that. I'm gonna kind of tell y'all right now. So this is my current shop location. It's small. We on top of each other, so I'm not getting kicked out of my shop. I actually moved next door, and I'm gonna take you guys there now. I was working outside literally because as I get more technicians.
Morning. YouTube video.
Oh, okay. I figured that was out.
We was working on top of each other basically. I'm trying to find the keys. So I spent most of my time outside, and this is the reason I got this shop, so I won't have to be outside. Because it's hot, and being hot is aggravating sometimes. I'm pretty sure some of you know.
It's a good little walk, so I'm gonna cut right here. But
Okay.
if you start from our old shop, we have from that brown pole all the way down to the front of the building. So at least 3 times the size of what we currently have right now. I'll see y'all at the front door.
All right, welcome.
Cut the
Hit
light
the
on.
light. All right, so we're in the process of re-renovating this room. Show them this room right here. This room used to look like this room. So as you can see, we peeled all the paneling down and we painted it. We was going for the doctor theme. When you walk in here, it kind of feel like a doctor's office. What you guys think? Write down in the comments below. So this is sort of like a bay. There's a storage closet right there. Right over here is another office, which is gonna be my wife's dealership section.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, just some future FYI, I guess you call it FYI, we will be showing you guys how to flip cars on my channel too, starring my wife.
I just like being a camera woman.
Well,
We'll let you be the front man.
bathrooms. This is gonna be my bay. I chose to be in the front. As you can kind of see, I've already started moving in and working.
Mm-hmm.
So I went from 25,000 square foot.
No, 2,500.
2,500. Oh, 3,000 square foot.
Yeah, something like that.
About 3,000 square foot to 8,000. So this is gonna be where the other technicians be. So as you can see, we're not gonna be working on top of each other because the problem we was having, we have one car on the bay, not on the bay, but on the lift, and another car behind it. So the person on the lift may finish and can't get out because he's being blocked in. So that slows down production very badly. And we were starting to be less efficient. Speaking of less efficient, that's one of the reasons I stopped being a mobile mechanic. I was getting so many calls coming in, I couldn't handle them. And it was like killing me to turn down money. I was like, ugh, I have to do something. So that's when I jumped for that shop next door. So, but yeah, this is it. You'll start seeing me shoot more videos in here. So, you know, write down in the comments, let me know if you guys like it. I hope you like my little intro blog. I'm gonna try to do more of these. Tell me what you guys think. The more of these, it will include just following me around, just seeing what I do on an everyday basis. Showing my different projects. By the way, that's one of them, Mater.
Mater Jr.
Hater Junior. I'm trying to decide if I want to keep it or sell it. I really like it. Here's another one of my projects. It's 87 Cutlass. And I think that's all the projects that's mine in here. Like always, I enjoy you guys. I love you guys. Continue to like, subscribe, help me out, help me grow my channel. I have so much to share, and I just want to, you know, continue to build and be a community. Talk to you guys later. Alex Car Doctor out.